Hello friends, welcome to this new video on Python. This is going to be a video where we will be covering a project where we will be actually converting speech to text in Python. For that project, we are going to use the library that is speech recognition. So first let me show you the audios that we are actually going to convert using Python and speech recognition, which are of the form MP3, also has the extension of .flak, that is also a music file, and also we have .wav files. So let me play these files and let's see what we are going to actually convert to text in this video.
Actions speak louder than words.
So this is a music file where I have a proverb, then we have a Bollywood song,
अलग दुनिया बुलावे तुझे एक तू हो एक मैं हूँ.
So we will be converting the lyrics of this song, and also we have a Tamil song here. So we will be trying to capture the lyrics of this song too, and we'll be converting it to speech using Python and speech recognition module. So let's see how it's done. So firstly, if you don't have this speech recognition module installed, so you need to install it using the pip command. So I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. If you don't have this module, you can run this cell. After that, from the speech recognition, we will be using the alias name of the speech recognition. So I have given the name as SPR. So let's check out the version for SPR. So for that we have the command as __version, which is a special method. So you can see here that you have version 3.8.1. You can also choose any other version if you like. Most of the functioning is already same. So this is actually a library which is used for performing speech recognition with support for several engines and APIs online and offline. But for the sake of this video, we will be always connected to your Wi-Fi because we will be using the Google's API in this video, which will be actually searching the text or the lyrics from the video, match with it and give us the text. So we have created an instance named as recognizer, which is based on the SPR recognizer module. So the next thing is that now we need to convert the audio that we have in our folder to audio files. So what audio files are, if you want to know, so you can just run this line along with a question mark to know about them. So if you see it, it shows that it will actually create an audio file given a music file, and we can process that audio file to do certain tasks. Besides converting to an audio file, the speech recognition module also gives us support for the recognizer.record. So what this thing does is that it will help you to set the duration for the audio from where to where you actually need the text of the lyrics. So you can do that using the record method. And the last thing is the recognize_Google method. So what this does is that it is a Google provided API engine which will actually search for your lyrics on this module, and it will give you the text in any of the language that you pass through it. So let's see the example in action. So firstly, we will create an audio file based on the SPR module. So this proverb.flag is a music file that I had shown you earlier. Let's convert it to an audio file and save it into an object called as proverb. So now if you print the type of this proverb, you can see that it is an object of the class speech recognition dot audio file. So we have converted it in an audio file. So using the recognizer dot instance dot record, you can actually set the offset location from where to where you need the text from the speech, and also you can set the duration. So firstly, what we'll do is that we'll convert this audio file into audio data. So with the proverb object as source, we will use the recognizer.record on this source. So here we have not set any offset or any starting point, and also we have not set any ending point. So let's run this thing and let's print the type of the proverb. So you can again see that now your audio file is converted into audio data using this recognizer.record method of the source. So the last part is let's convert the audio data to text. Now for this part we will be requiring the Google's speech recognition API, which can be called using on the recognizer object that we have created of the SPR module, we will be calling the method recognize underscore Google, and we will be providing the source, that is the proverb or the file that we have read, and we will be providing the language. So here I have provided the language as English and it is from USA. So now let's print the text. So you can see here from the audio file we have extracted the text, which is action speak louder than words. So now what we will do is that next we will try to convert a song which is of a different language. Like here I have a Tamil song and we will try to convert it in the form of text. So firstly we will read the audio file and save it into song. Then let's print the type. So you can see here that it is of the class audio file. So now let's convert the audio file to audio text. So for that we have this recognizer.record method of the source, and we have set the duration that of for 60 seconds only want the text, and we have set the offset location that is from 22 seconds. That is we will get the text from 22 seconds to 60. So get the type as audio data. Now let's print the text. So it may take some time, but don't worry that we have got the text here in the Tamil language, which is an Indian language. So what actually has happened is that this method recognize.google API method has actually used the source that we have from the song that we are reading here, and then it is passing in the language in that is Tamil language, and we are printing the lyrics of the song. So let's try this thing again with a Hindi movie or Bollywood song. So here I have a source that is in the form of an .wav file, which is also a kind of music file. We are converting it to an audio file first, and with that source we will be calling the API in the source. Then we'll pass the duration, that is how much text we actually want, and also pass the offset here. So let's do this thing, and here in the recognize._Google method we are passing the source and we are passing the language as Hindi India. So as you can see here we have got the output in Hindi. So what you can do with this thing is that you can also change the language of the speech that you want to convert. So for example here from Hindi I will be converting it into English US. So let's rerun this thing. So you can see here that we are getting the same output which we earlier got in Hindi language in English text. So this is how actually you can convert speech to text using Python and this module, that is speech recognition, and the Google's API. So one important thing is that you should ethically use this module, because the key which is provided by Google for this module is actually for educational purpose. So you should not like do something wrong with this. You can choose any language that you want, that you wish to convert. Just you need to find the key that you need to pass in this language attribute, and you will get the text in that language. So this was all about how you can actually convert speech data into text data in Python using Python and the speech recognition module that is provided in Python. So I hope that all these things are clear to you. Do try this project on your end. I will definitely upload the link to this file and all the data of the music file that I have used in this project in a GitHub link below. And also let me know about any other changes that you can do or any other cool stuff that you can do with the same project in the comments down below. Till then, if you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.